Welcome to Prixma Hub Business Learning Series. This video explains data analysis skills, an important skill for modern professionals and businesses. Data analysis is more than just looking at numbers. It helps in making better business decisions, solving problems, and growing a company or career. Why data analysis is important. Research shows that companies like Microsoft, Uber, and Blue Apron use analytics to improve services and grow their business. Understanding numbers, trends, and patterns allows informed decision-making. Data analysis helps identify opportunities, predict trends, and reduce risks. Core data analysis skills. Key skills in data analysis include summarizing datasets, turning large data into clear, understandable insights, recognizing trends, spotting patterns and changes over time, testing hypotheses, checking assumptions before taking decisions. These skills provide a structured approach to solve complex business problems. How data analysis adds. Influence data analysis also increases influence in decision-making. For example, in a meeting, opinions may vary. If you present data to support your recommendations, your points become stronger and more convincing. As HBS professor John Hammond says, using data to support your arguments makes you influential in an organization. Real-life application. Practical steps to use data analysis. Collect relevant data, sales, customer feedback, website traffic, etc. Summarize the data, charts, graphs, and simple tables. Identify trends, which product is selling most, which marketing strategy works best. Make decisions. Example, if website traffic peaks at a certain time, run ads during that period. Data analysis turns raw numbers into actionable insights. Key takeaways. Data analysis is a tool for better decision-making, not just numbers. Analytical reasoning is one of the most in-demand skills today. Using data builds credibility and influence in any business or professional setting. Every company and professional field can benefit from strong data analysis skills. Practical benefit. Data analysis helps in making smart business decisions, improving efficiency, increasing profit and growth. Building professional credibility. A data-driven approach ensures decisions are accurate, reliable, and effective. Closing/YouTube call to action. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos from Prixma Hub. Also, share this video so more people can learn these important business skills. Thank you for watching.